Hey guys, Dave here. Once again, a special welcome back to Cook and Share. I'm like everybody else. I like a good sandwich, and sometimes you can have your big honker sandwiches, and then you can have a dainty finger sandwich. I have guests coming over, and I decided to go with the dainty finger sandwich. I did a ham and cheese, and I did a tuna. They came out just great. You're going to love them. They came in a checkerboard, sometimes referred to as an English sandwich. Let me show you how to do this, and let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to get started with our tuna, so we're going to make the yummiest tuna fish sandwich ever in a checkerboard style. So I'm going to put in a can of tuna, and this is tuna drain. A quarter cup of mayo, and this really depends on how creamy you want it, but I think a quarter cup's going to be fine. We can always add more. Next up, 2 tablespoons of red bell peppers. And you can use celery, I just like the red bell peppers. 2 tablespoons of onion. And 2 tablespoons of sweet green relish. A pinch of salt to bring out those flavors. And you know me, my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. And a squeeze of lemon. This would be about 1/8 of a teaspoon, I guess. And I'm going to take my spoon and mix this up. Now we're going to build our sandwich, and what I've got here are 2 pieces of bread, 1 white and 1 brown for the checkerboard. So I'm going to build on the brown, I guess, and take a good layer of that yummy tuna and just lay it on. Now we lay the white over the brown. Then the meticulous part of the cutting. So I'm going to go, I'd say this way to begin with. You want your knife fairly sharp, and we'll go about here. Then of course we're going to go the other way. Now to get the checkerboard effect, I'm going to take this guy and turn him over. Same on the other side. This side here. Now here's the puzzle, guys, which is the last one. I'm going to do the one in the middle. And I've just transferred this onto a plate. Next sandwich is our ham and cheese. And let's start with the brown here, and we're going to use Philadelphia cream cheese. Now you can use cheddar, whatever you like. I just like the Philadelphia. And you just want to kind of spread this gently so you don't tear the bread. And I've got this at room temperature that I put out just for a few hours. Next up, our ham. And this is just cooked ham. You can use deli ham too if you like. And I'm going to put 2 slices on here. And lastly, our tomatoes. Now I'm using a Roma tomato. You can use the tomato of your choice. I just use Roma because I like to Roma. And I think about 4 slices on here is pretty good. Then we're just going to go ahead and cut this to get our checkerboard effect. Maybe over here a little bit more. And be a little bit gentle with this. And of course it's pretty obvious, but you can make the sandwich of your choice. I just like these 2. And guests just love them because they're a finger food. And of course come the other way. Something like this. And as with the other one, I'm going to do the flip here just to get the checkerboard effect. This is kind of like playing checkers. And there you have it, our checkerboard sandwich is sometimes referred to as an English or tea sandwich. Okay, let's grab one of these up. And I'm just going to use a toothpick. This is the ham and cheese. Doesn't this look good? And I'm just going to dip this in my chipotle mayo. That is so good. Now the tuna, and into the Dijon dip. This is wonderful too. I forgot to mention, you can make them up the night before. They're just great as well. Now, one thing you'll notice, guys, is I didn't spread a sauce over the top. I'm going to put that on the side because the guests kind of like that. And I'm going to make a chipotle mayo and a mayo Dijon. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time, and stay healthy.